सो आज हम करने जा रहे हैं कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग. सो आई एम गोना शो यू कि हम अपनी कार का स्नो कैसे क्लियर करते हैं. So we live in Rochester, New York, and this is how it looks in winters. So look at my dressing. I am wearing gumboots, gloves, hat, and a heavy coat, and some layers of clothing inside. So अभी है December की 4th, like December 4th, and look at the condition here. Look at the roads. तो ये है हमारी कार. वी लिव इन एन अपार्टमेंट, सो हमारे पास अभी गराज नहीं है. सो हमारी कार विंटर्स में जब स्नो होती है तो दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स, एंड समटाइम्स इट्स गेट रियली 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 बैड. So right now this is like a flaky snow which can be like, it's like very soft, but sometimes it gets really really bad. जब पूरी कार आइस में कवर हो जाती है then it is hard. So I am having this small brush and I'm gonna start clearing it up. Look at this. रॉचेस्टर न्यूयॉर्क. हम यहाँ पे अराउंड 10 years पहले मूव हुए, एंड वी गॉट टू नो दैट दिस सिटी was covered with snow because it was part of ice age around 13,000 years ago. Can you believe it? So आज का टेम्परेचर है 22 degrees. Don't get it wrong, this is not 22 degrees Celsius, it's 22 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's equal to -5 degrees Celsius. Yes, -5 degrees Celsius. Some ice. So as you can see here, I can see some ice accumulated. It's not that bad, but I would use the back of this brush to take it off. So I'm done cleaning most of the surrounding of the car, but there is some snow on the top and in the front of the car on the glass. So I'm gonna use a bigger brush to take it off. I like doing this activity because this is so satisfying. Not always, but yes, sometimes when you have time, because this is definitely time consuming too. I have to leave for work after this, so what I do, I like come down a couple of minutes before, like 15 or to 20 minutes before, to make sure and remove all the snow from the car. So अभी हम स्क्रैप करेंगे ये जो आइस है यहाँ पे रेडी. Because the ice doesn't come off from the brush. So this looks good enough. to take the car on the road because you cannot take the car out on the road. It's unsafe if the car is covered with snow. क्योंकि जब हम drive करते हैं and if you put a brake, the entire snow kind of falls in front of you, which is really not a great idea. It's time to go for work. So see, the car is already ready to go. So it really helps cleaning the car beforehand. It saves a lot of time. This is all for today's vlog and I'm gonna see you in next one.